Hi guys, welcome to Asedoskitchen. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you for your continued support. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, you're most welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make minced beef pilau. The ingredients for this recipe are minced beef, rice, onion, tomato, cooking oil, ginger paste, pilau masala, vegeta, and salt. I fry the onions until they turn golden brown and add the tomatoes, followed by the meat. I'm using brown onions for this recipe. However, if you have red onions, use that instead. I break up the mince while stirring. I keep stirring until there are no lumps left in the meat and add ginger paste. Use freshly grated ginger if you have some. I now add vegeta and pilau masala. It's best to use lean minced. However, if you're using regular mince, reduce the amount of oil used to fry the onions. I used regular mince and it had too much fat in it, so I reduced this before adding the rice. Please don't skip this step because too much oil can ruin the dish. I add the rice and mix until everything comes together and the rice is slightly toasted. Then I add water. Always wash the rice because it gets rid of the starch. Washing the rice and slightly toasting it before adding water prevents the rice from sticking together. This results in fluffy pilau. Broth enhances the taste of the pilau, but since I don't have any, I'm using water. I give this a stir, taste, and add salt. Adjust the salt level to your preferred taste. For reference purposes, I added 1.5 teaspoons. I cover the pot and once fully boiled, I reduce the heat to low and cook until the rice is well cooked and all the water is absorbed. I check the rice and it's fluffy and the moisture has been fully absorbed. I fluff the rice with a fork. Always use a fork to do this because it gently separates the cooked rice grains without mashing it up. The aroma in the kitchen is so good at this point and it tasted delicious. Our pilau is ready, so I turn the heat off. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as my family and I do. If you try it, please let us know in the comments how yours turned out. For more recipes, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, engage in the comments and share it with your friends and family. This engagement helps draw attention to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next one.